Unisol is game.
Game na.
Game na.
See, Unisol is a tech-driven apparel company in Cebu with innovations to disrupt the uniform industry. The uniform industry is very old, but the process remains very backwards. So we want to bring innovation to the industry by offering different collections. So right now, we're very excited to launch our Chameleon collection for 2026. So Chameleon is our product line for different companies and organizations looking for uniforms. So it has always been a challenge, especially in the modern times, na how do we preserve culture, right? So Unisol see an opportunity of being able to take a part of the role on how we can preserve culture. So by embodying designs from different cultures in the different regions, we're able to. This is the inspiration of our collection. So in a way, di ba, parang now very fast-paced na. Even local language wala na. Di ba? But yeah, so how do we preserve local culture? So with Unisol, we're developing designs. So we're here in this Manila Fame 2026 to introduce our Lapu-Lapu heritage collection, inspired by being Unisol, coming from Cebu, the origin of Lapu-Lapu. So these are all Lapu-Lapu inspired designs. Ano pa ba? So our so these collections that we have are using Philippine are supporting local fabrics. So we're using local fabrics, pinya, which is compliant with the Philippine Tropical Fabric Law. So there's this law, sir, PTF, to support the local economy, support the local, encouraging organizations, companies, government offices to use the PTF. So these are PTF compliant, PTF law compliant, ideal for companies, LGUs who wants to support the local products.
Sir, aside from the Lapu-Lapu inspiration, do you also have other inspired model fabrics that came from?
So when we part of our direction is to really consider the local culture of our customers. For example, an LGU, we have to study and understand the local culture of each region and find a way how we can embody it in the uniforms. So for us, we're able to fill in a role in preserving the local culture of each region.
So you get the client, the inspiration will be coming from the clients.
Yeah.
Eventually. And then,
These are use sustainable products, materials in it.
Yeah, so this collection that we have is our anchored on sustainability because we are using locally produced fabric, which is pinya. So for companies, LGUs, other organizations who want to support local products, this collection is for them. And we're here at Manila Fame to invite everyone. If you're looking for uniforms for 2026, diba? Now is the time to start. And Unisol is here.
Sir, but you have shop in Cebu.
Yeah, so we have different
How
we
many
have sales here sa
outlets? Yeah.
In Manila sir.
yeah, we have sales team in Manila. And
Okay.
for those who want to know about Unisol, our social media pages, Facebook, Unisol, our website, unisol.ph. So they can inquire.
Next generation of uniforms. So Unisol parang ano eh, uniforms with soul, Nax.
No, it started with it's short for Uniform Solutions.
Uniform solutions. Ayun, yun naman pala eh.
Uniform solution.
Ayun.
So the millennials,
Yeah, alam natin.
they're fond of shortcuts, di ba? So that's how shinortcut na nila eh. Ginawa ng Unisol eh. But it's really our vision, ma'am, is to become the go-to brand for workwear. So we saw an opportunity na right now there's no go-to brand for workwear.
How about Nicky Rice?
So part of our direction is, at the end of the day, people buy because they love the design.
Oh.
Okay.
So and Unisol is aware of that. So by being able to collaborate with designers and providing them a platform where they can also express their creativity. This is our first collaboration. So Nicky Rice,
So Nicky Rice is a designer.
it is a designer
Yun talaga.
Based in Cebu also.
here in Manila.
Oh.
So Nicky Rice is a designer based here in Manila. For us to be able to offer relevant products to the market with the right design, so we collaborate with designers.
Do you also encourage other designers to partner
Yes.
with you?
So looking forward, the way to go for us is really work with designers.
Yes.
So to collaborate with designers, and again, Unisol is we started in Cebu. It's because of it's where big brands, international brands are manufactured, and because of contract manufacturing, when their contract expires, most of the sewers are let go. So this has created a pool of sewers unemployed in the community. So this was the reason why Unisol
Was created.
was created. So we saw the opportunity that what can we do with them? Those unemployed, skilled workers. So we started with building first the factory and try to understand the whole manufacturing process. What are the challenges encountered? Why is there no go-to brand for uniforms? Maybe because it's a very complicated industry. So from the products to manufacturing to sourcing of material, so we try to understand first, and that's how Unisol was we started with the soap, like being able to provide second employment opportunities to these unemployed sewers. And then right now, we're now moving on the next level, which is finally coming up with products. Coming up with products that are can be truly Filipino and we can be proud of. So what you see here is all the fabric is made in the Philippines, manufactured in the Philippines. The uniforms are sewn in the Philippines. So it's not every day, you can have something, right?
Do you export?
That's the
Next.
but right now we have
You already have clients.
we're
Abroad.
basically supplying school uniforms to Papua New Guinea.
Wow.
So for me, it's a validation that this can be a global
Brand.
opportunity, a global brand, and with everyone's support and
Sir, how about the price range?
The price range, we're very, because we manufacture everything, so we're able to offer affordable quality uniforms. So we're not the cheapest, we're not also the most expensive.
Pero it looks like your designs are outside of work, pwede pa rin isuot ng mga
That
mga
is
tao
re-
panlakad, di ba?
That is really what we want. How can we create something that can, because before Unisol is boring.
That people can wear outside of work, di ba?
So, and if you try to, most of us are the workers are wearing uniforms. It's what, 2/3 of their diba?
Good day.
Or they- huh? So they deserve to wear something quality and comfortable, and
Yeah.
at the same time that would make them look really good.
So even if they transfer companies or are no longer employed, they can still wear the uniforms.
So that's our we're asking for your help to spread the word that we have something, a Filipino product that we can be proud of, and to keep the ecosystem alive, and because not everyone knows that we have this in the Philippines, and maybe the opportunity for this product to become global.
Yes.
Sir, aside
Tama
from...
ba? Tama ba?
Yes, sir, tama. Meron na akong last question, yung pinaka-final.
Aside
Last
from,
word
ano,
with
sir,
your...
aside from pinya, kasi we all know na pinya is for barong. So, tapos ito, may mga design po kayo na ganyan. Aside from pinya, what other fiber or fabric sa fabric yung ginagamit niyo?
So for now, yeah, we're focused on the pinya. We have development with other locally sourced materials like cotton, abaca, and banana. And it's really the inspiration of Unisol is to really come up with truly
Filipino.
Filipino, something na, especially ngayon na we're so reliant with import, but I think it has
Has to change.
to change. That's the mindset ba. And even I would say the mindset of the government to bring in investors, but why can't we just support our own and build from it? You know?
Yes. It's nice.
Thank you very much.
Sir, any last word to
Hello.
Invite.
consumers?
Yeah. So for companies, LGUs who are looking for sustainable products for their uniforms, and they're preparing for 2026 uniform requirement, Unisol is here, and we would be very happy to work with you.
Where can they reach you out?
So on social media, Facebook, Unisol. Website, unisol.ph.
Ayun, thank you po.